The 154x4 Hybrid G engine combines a dual-fuel hybrid engine with a 48-volt electric motor. The 48V dual-fuel hybrid engine is equipped with a 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox, which manages the traction of the vehicle's two front wheels. You benefit from great autonomy thanks to the two fuel tanks, one for petrol and one for LPG, each with a capacity of 50 litres. Your vehicle uses the petrol tank by default. However, by pressing this button, the vehicle automatically switches to LPG when conditions permit. The 48V electric motor is equipped with a 2-speed gearbox, located on the rear axle of the vehicle, enabling the switch to 4-wheel drive. It also allows you to drive up to 60% of the time in all-electric mode in the city. The automatic management system, which combines a dual-fuel combustion engine, an electric motor and 2- or 4-wheel drive transmission, allows for a range of up to 1,500 kilometers. You can view the energy used by the vehicle in real time on your dashboard. Petrol, LPG, hybrid or fully electric. Thanks to the rotating ring, located in the center of the cockpit, you can choose between 6 driving modes. The Auto mode is the default mode to use. It offers the peace of mind of a versatile mode that covers most everyday uses. It automatically manages the use of the electric motor, combustion engine, and 2- or 4-wheel drive transmission, depending on driving requirements. The Eco mode is also a versatile mode. It optimizes fuel consumption by reducing the load on the hybrid engine during acceleration. It affects engine performance as well as interior equipment such as the air conditioning system. The Snow mode optimizes your vehicle's trajectory control on snowy or slippery roads, for example in heavy rain. The trajectory control and traction control functions are anticipated, and the steering effort on the wheel is increased. This mode automatically manages the engine torque between the front and rear axles, depending on the vehicle's grip and speed. The Mud/Sand mode allows you to drive on loose ground with reduced traction, such as sand, mud, or deep snow. The traction control setting specific to this mode allows the vehicle to move forward by permitting more wheel slip to improve traction. Using Lock mode maximizes off-road capabilities, particularly on rough terrain, steep slopes, or descents. This mode distributes engine torque between the front and rear wheels, regardless of grip conditions. The electric motor prevents the 4-wheel drive transmission from overheating. Please note that in Snow, Mud/Sand, and Lock modes, the steering effort is heavier than in Auto and Eco modes. You will find information about the mode selected with the rotary dial on your dashboard: Auto mode, Eco mode, Snow mode, Mud/Sand mode, and Lock mode. Finally, the downhill speed control mode is activated using the central button. It allows you to limit the speed of the vehicle on steep slopes without using the brake pedal. To activate it, press this button and the indicator light on the dashboard will come on. To deactivate it, press again and the indicator light will turn off. If the vehicle speed exceeds 37.2 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, the mode is automatically deactivated. When your vehicle is running on the combustion engine, you can change the gear ratio using the 2 paddles located behind the steering wheel. They provide driving comfort when overtaking, driving in 4-wheel drive, managing engine braking on downhill slopes, or towing a trailer, for example. When you are in D position, you can change gears manually by operating these paddles in 2 modes. The temporary manual mode is activated by briefly pressing one of the 2 paddles to force the gearbox to shift up or down. Drive mode D and the gear engaged are then displayed on the dashboard. The gearbox automatically reverts to D mode if the selected gear is no longer optimal, or if no action has been taken on a paddle for a certain period of time. The permanent manual mode is activated by pressing and holding one of the two paddles. The M driving mode and the gear engaged are displayed on the instrument panel. Use the left paddle to shift down and the right paddle to shift up. The following indications suggest that you should change gears to remain in the optimum gear at all times. To exit permanent manual mode, press and hold the right paddle. You will then return to automatic gear shifting mode.